Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Thunkable to Firebase. First, navigate to the Firebase console and create a new project. Give your project a clear name and proceed. Next, within your new project, expand the Build menu and select Real-Time Database or Cloud Firestore to set up your database. Finally, enable the desired authentication methods, such as email and password, for your application. Now, let's integrate Firebase with your Thunkable project. In Firebase, go to Project Settings and register a web app to obtain your unique API key and database URL. Keep these two pieces of information handy. Switch to your Thunkable project, click the gear icon for App Settings, and locate the Firebase section. Paste the copied API key and database URL into their respective fields to establish the connection. With the connection established, you can now interact with your data. In Thunkable, use the GET block from the Firebase Real-Time DB component to retrieve data from a specified path in your database. To save new information, drag out a set block and provide a key and value. For modifying existing data, the Update block is your go-to, ensuring precise changes. Finally, let's cover user authentication. Thunkable offers dedicated blocks for Firebase authentication. Use the Sign Up block to allow new users to create accounts with an email and password. For existing users, the Login block will verify their credentials. Remember to include a Sign Out block to securely end user sessions, providing a complete authentication flow.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.